So hey nerds, this is Suman and in this video I'm going to show you some of the reference book that I had used for my self-study and for during my whole BSc program, and still doing the BSc program, and for the 11th and 12th. So if someone is actually interested in physics and they want to start the physics from the basics, I'm going to share with you some beautiful books. So if you are actually from Nepal, you might actually buy this book from the bookstore. And if you aren't from Nepal and you were watching from another country or another place, you might actually depend on the writer of your own country. So the Nepali writer are not so much famous in other countries, I guess so. So without wasting time, let us go and let's see how many books do I have during my entire journey of learning physics. And also I read some mathematics books. I didn't take the linear algebra, but I do have taken the linear algebra, but in this video I am not adding the linear algebra book, so nobody get offense, don't be offense, right? So let us go and let's watch how many books do I have. So nerds, so this might be, you might be thinking this is a vlog type video. So it is actually not the vlog, I'm just sharing how many books do I have. Basically I'm starting when I was in class 11th. I bought actually this book, and this book, I some part of it has already torn out, and this is the book that I prefer during 11th. So during my basics I had started from this book, and I got this book from my sister's house, and this is also good. And if you are from Nepal and you are actually going to buy class 12th book, you can actually buy this book, The Principle of Physics, right? This is a very beautiful book because it covers the many portions of class 12 as well in class 11, right? So this might be a good options for you if you are watching from Nepal. And this is the another heritage compressive physics for grade 12, and the writer you can see from here. And the book is quite good because every time they start a new chapter, they gave a chapter opening question like, why does a fan blade take a longer time to come to rest than one without blade? So this is the book that I prefer during my class 12th, and this is the another book of same principle of physics during my class 12th. And this book I prefer. If I have to compare these two books, I would always prefer these books. This is Principle of Physics, right? So during my class 12th I had completed from this. So, and during my BSc program I had learned from these books. So basically this whole section, you can see the whole section actually contains all the physics, all the books that I have read in first year program in second year, and currently I am studying in third year. So this is the first year solution book of my physics. So right, this is the first year, and this is again the first year. So I had added differential, not here, your turn will come. So this is the first textbook that I had got from a elder brother, whether it is elder or younger, I think it is a elder brother. So this is the book, and every time I learn a new concept I will attach the mathematics of here, and I'm going to put it like this. And so every time I read this book again, and I will end up getting the same mathematics that I has already done. So this is a very good for me. So it might not work for you. So I will want to show you something here. If I think I had plotted something here. You can see the volume correction factor, the volume correction for gases and other factors, like. So this is my first year books. You can see here, this is the volume 1, and during my second year I have bought this book, the same textbook by Prithvi Vakta Adhikari, and this is the volume 2. So during the whole BSc program you will get the same book from the same person. So there is one derivation mistake that I am going to make a video about it. So there is a blunder, or might be the teacher had just put it the another teacher's idea and copy pasted in this book. My teacher used to blame him always. So Nepali writer aren't good. So every time I learn the new concept, here also you can see I have put it every form of equations and how these things are actually derived and how the formula works. You can see very beautiful relation, that is energy distribution intensity, right? So, and I have done it very much for the you can see for electromagnetic waves. This might be the sticky notes you have already heard. So up to here I have completed my second year physics and first and during my 11th and 12th. So during my second year I had learned differential equations from IT sir, and if anyone who is watching this video, say thank you to IT sir. And this is the another reference book that I has taken from Patel and J Kafle during the second year, and this is the book that the teacher used to prefer and used to teach us, right? So these are the books, and you can actually see from here. So this is the module of physics, and it doesn't make quite good sense for you, I think. So these are the modules, and this is the just MCQ doing and the comprehensive solution for the physics, right? So this and off the record, so I want to show you very much interesting, that is, so I want to show you some off the record books. So the teacher didn't prefer so much, but I want to learn. If you really want to learn more idea of physics, you can actually buy this textbook. So I didn't say this textbook would help you in your higher physics. This obviously does help. So first you can see here Albert Einstein special and general relativity. So I bought this book because I had exam and I didn't able to read this book, so now I have to read this book. And this is the dictionary that I had bought, the Oxford dictionary. So it doesn't matter whether you buy it or not. So and this is the another quantum mechanics or theoretical minimum by Leonard Susskind, if you had heard about him. And this is the another foundation of electromagnetic theory. So when I was in, I think, second year, I had bought this book. So when I was in second year, I bought this book. So in first year our electromagnetic radiation has completed, and I am buying this book in second year with I'm just wasting my money. So this is the very beautiful book by Feynman, and he's one of the best. He's one of my idol. So I love him very much. So I want to buy other two remaining books of him, but lack of money, you can say, I was unable to buy. But for the first time when I was in first year and I want to learn the electromagnetism and matter, I bought this book, and I had heard about Feynman very much time, so I bought this book. So this book is very much quite good, and it is actually, so as I have already told you that whenever I try to learn the new concept, I already write in the form and I put it in the side of the paper. So every time I watch it again, I can actually connect it to the course. So this is the physics book, and this is the Feynman lectures, right? So it's a very much beautiful book. So and off the records, I have two very much interesting book that I had bought recently. So you can actually see. So if you had heard about Alak or not, because during my class 11th and 12th journey, I am very thankful to Alak because he made me like uh, who I am in physics, right? So every concept that I had learned from Alak sir. So I would like to thank Alak sir, not the whole PW, just the Alak sir, because I had learned the old from the old videos of Alak sir teaching physics concept, chemistry concepts, like everything, right? And he always talk about, so as I am from Nepal, so he always talk about the HC Verma problem. So he take the problem and he said HC Verma problem IIT. So so we don't have good enough books or texts in our Nepal, so in our curriculum, right? So in that when learning from Alex sir, you will have already heard about the HC Verma problems, and I thought how much beautiful can a book be. And I recently bought these two books, and this is one of the dream of mine, that learning HC Verma physics. So every time Alex sir mentioned it, I thought about how beautiful is that book is going to be. Even the best teacher of physics is actually using another book reference. So I had actually bought these two books. This is simply volume 2 and volume 1, and the concept of physics. So I was really thinking that the cover is very much beautiful. You can see from here, this is very much beautiful, right? So I had almost this much amount of book. So from here I hadn't shown that because that doesn't make any sense. And this much book I do own. I am the owner of this much of book. And I think You, if you want to start your physics courses, you can just start by basics. So if you hadn't learned anything about physics, you can just learn by the basics. uh, always prefer, I will always prefer, if you are from the student of Nepal and you are actually in the basics of your physics build, you can always watch the physics wala. So I don't want to recommend the new teacher, and I am not defaming the new teacher. They do not teach properly, I don't want to say that. But I want to say that if you had looked up at the video of Alak sir teaching about physics concept in his old videos, that the video that is 4 5 years earlier, so that video actually makes sense. The every concept, the every point, the everything he is going to teach you. So he is one of the best teacher, and up to here the Alak sir made me who am I up to here, right? So actually Nepali students do follow Alak sir. Up to here I want this simple, clear,